On this episode.
Who is this crazy ass?
Adidas sponsored this video. I need it. How much is your jacket? Ma'am, how much are your shoes?
Following her. She's stalking us.
Guess what? This whole outfit was thrifted. I got these pants the last video for $1, and I got the top in this video for $1. I just washed it, let it air dry, ironed it. Hey, how y'all like my fit? This is a $2 special outfit. You can't beat that. It's that time again. We have another reseller box available right now on MsTaffy.com. That's MsTaffy.com. I'll show you guys everything that will be in the box. $125 plus shipping, and it's all could be yours. Go check out the site. And I'm gonna throw in this CD. I believe right now they listed brand new on eBay, $40 just by itself. All right, head to the site, y'all. As you guys saw in the last video, I got the sleeping bag and a heater. Well, I gotta return both to Amazon today because the sleeping bag is not enough because the flooring in my van is too hard. So I need like a padding and then like a thick blanket. So I'm gonna get that instead. And I think this heater I got is defective, because as soon as I put it in my generator, it powers on for like a couple seconds and it shuts right off. And that generator is strong. So it's like, come on, y'all. Let me get some stuff that works so I can, you know, relax in the van, eat in the van, all that good stuff. But I guess it's trial and error, to be honest. I'm learning as I go and I'm taking y'all with me. Thank y'all for riding along on this journey. And all the support I received on the last video. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it. So let's go in Whole Foods. Let me show y'all. And take the stuff back. Today, we're gonna make some money right now. I don't know if y'all remember, I got this keyboard for $2. Let me show y'all that video right now. How much is the keyboard? $3.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm about to meet somebody right now from OfferUp and sell it for 20 bucks. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. Shimo! You was knocking on the door?
Yeah. They probably looking like, who is this crazy ass?
All right, thank you. Nice. All right, have a good one.
You too.
All right, Candy Crew, $2 into $20, mission complete. I always recommend if you're a new reseller and you're just getting into this, go to yard sales, put the items on OfferUp, do local sales to avoid eBay fees, and just get in the rhythm of selling things, buying it for low, selling for high. And you can't beat it. Try it, y'all. Let me know how it goes. Listen, when y'all see me next, I'm gonna look like a brand new woman. I'm getting my hair done, y'all. Hey, that's part of my self-care that I love, guys. I love getting my hair done. It makes me feel like, I don't know, it makes me feel like a brand new woman. Like, what did you say? You was talking to me? Who you was talking to? Me? No, you wasn't. What's the deal, Candy Crew? I told y'all I was gonna look brand new when y'all see me next time. But look at me and my mom.
Love it, love it.
Same color hair.
What's going on, Candy Crew?
Y'all, look at our shirts. We both rocking Adidas. Adidas sponsored this video. I need a sponsor.
Yes, yes, for real.
All right, y'all, we going to some sales and running some errands, and of course, we taking y'all with us. Shimon!
Shimon!
All right, Candy Crew, first seller of the day. Let's go. Good morning. How you doing? That's good. How much is your jacket? 10 bucks.
Yeah. Good morning.
Is it like an older jacket?
Yeah, kind of.
Can you do 7 on it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. You need the hanger back? Okay.
$5 each.
$5 each. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Yes. 5, 10. Yes. 13. Thank you. So Candy Crew, I think for that jacket I could get at least between 50 to $100. That was a good pick for my first sale. The day is starting off right. Let go. What you in here getting, Mom?
Tea and teriyaki. You want something?
No, it's okay. All right, Candy Crew. I had to drop off my mom to pick up her car. Now I'm solo. But we still going to some sales. It's a nice day out. Another unlisted sale. Good morning.
How much all those shoes?
Like $3. Okay. Jamming. All right, y'all. So as y'all saw, I got those Airwalks for $3. Hey, it's a good day.
There, okay?
Okay.
Come on in.
Okay. Thank you.
Were you looking at that? That's $150.
What? The dresser? Okay. How much is the bike?
50.
50? Okay.
I'll be right out.
Okay. How much are your shoes?
Para extender la masa.
For those, $2.
Okay. How much are the men's shoes?
So I'm gonna ask 30.
Mira,
I was
hay
asking
zapatos.
40, but 30 each.
So hay zapatos
They're
de
like practically new, most of them.
You said 30 each. Oh. And you said these are how much? You said two?
$2.
$2. Okay.
Para los dos, bueno, 10 para la...
el vestido.
I'll get these for now. Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
So y'all just saw me get those Hoka shoes for $2. I'm positive I can sell those for at least 30 to $35. Perhaps more, but I'm gonna just do 30 to 35. I'm not gonna be greedy. I like this area, to be honest though. I'm getting good deals for a little bit of nothing. And there's a lot of sales that aren't listed on the app. So I'm just driving by. It's 12 o'clock, y'all. 12 o'clock on a Saturday. And I just got those Hokas for $2. To be honest, I was thinking about those Stacey Adams, but she kind of wanted too much. I was gonna try to say if I bought them all, but some comps were going for like 30, 40 bucks and she wanted $30. So you know what? If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense.
2 days later.
Y'all, what's the deal? It's a new day. And today we sold these Hokas. Remember I got these on Saturday for $2? Well, they sold on OfferUp for 40 bucks. Let's get these things shipped out.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might.
Y'all know I love using used Amazon boxes.
Don't like hanging unless you family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bout and what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club. I'm really chilling with my seed. I love my poppy, put me on. I'm really chilling with OGs. Don't test my gangster, think I'm me. We gon' Tryna be here for a while in a good time. But we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine. Tryna be here for a while in a good time. But we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine.
End of flashback.
Hi, excuse me. Hi, is this where the yard sale is?
Oh no, sorry.
Where? Oh, it's further down?
Yeah, it must be.
Okay, thank you. Mowed it? Yeah, here you go, right here. I mowed it. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, and you guys?
Doing good. She's following us. She's stalking us.
Huh?
She's stalking us.
Oh.
We're at the last yard sale.
Yeah, I love yard sales. How much is your board?
$2.
$2? Okay, I'll get it. Ugh. With the bindings, I should be able to sell this board for at least $150.
You know, if you like flour, you get both for that. I mean, that's just, yeah, following the hose, you know? Get you paranoid. Yeah, the hookah itself is like a, really, like a...
How much are the skates?
Take that whole bag for $8.
Okay.
There's 2 or 3 pairs of skates. There's pads. I mean, some of the stuff still has its tags.
Oh, perfect. So you $10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let me see if I could grab something else from you. Uh-oh, what is that?
Angry Birds costume.
Oh,
I thought it was Elmo at first.
yeah, it looked like it. It looked like it.
There's some Cookie Monster PJs for you.
Boy States.
49ers
Oh, okay.
t-shirt. There's quite a bit of 49ers stuff.
Uh-oh, so huge 49er fan.
What's that?
So you're a huge 49er fan?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. How much is the sweater?
50 cents. That thing works wonders if you want to try it.
Really, it does?
Yeah. It has some settings that almost hurt.
Uh-oh.
Well, but I mean, I guess that's hurt in a good way. Yeah, it's doing its job. You get a good massage and it tends to hurt at times.
What is it called? Maybe my uncle will like it. So how much are you asking for that?
$5.
Okay.
You can try it before you buy it.
It's okay. I believe you. Oh, is that a paintball gun?
It is.
You taking all my money.
$10. That's full automatic. All it needs is the hopper.
Okay, let me think about that one. Oh, did I pay you for this?
What's that?
Did I pay you for this?
That, no.
Okay.
No, you were saying you were going to look at another
Okay.
one.
Let me start putting it in my car. Ugh. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Y'all have a great day, Kay. I might catch y'all at the next sale. Right? Oh, really? Pedronella? Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Did you score that that Ferrari jacket today?
Yes.
That's a nice one.
Yes, it is.
That's a good score.
Yes, it is. I was so happy. All right, thank you.
If you don't mind me asking, what'd you pick that one up for?
$7.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Right, great deal, huh?
Yeah.
All right, have a good one.
Probably a couple $100 jacket.
Yeah, it is. Guys, it's 12:27. And I just got, y'all see me just get all that stuff for, what was that, 10, 5, $16. Yeah, I think I'm done for today. That's enough shmoney, and I'm starting to sweat. I don't like that. He peeped my Ferrari jacket as he was putting the stuff in the car. Today, it's been a good day. But I'm hungry now. Yeah, I'm hungry. Give me some good old Starbucks right now.
It's gonna be $4.95. Would you like a straw?
Yes, 2 please.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Alright, so I'll catch y'all in a second. Candy Crew, I appreciate you guys more than you ever know. Until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.